Hi, my name is Chris Bulowski, owner of Bulowski Designs. I install and supply custom cabinets. I've been in the custom cabinet business since 2014, and prior to that I've been in home renovations, custom homes, and general carpentry since the mid-1990s. Working with D3 products gives me a sense of comfort. It's something I don't have to take care of. I know I'm getting good quality cabinets on time. I don't have to worry about that. I get to worry about the other parts of my job, like the design and the installation. I know when I receive my D3 products on site, they'll be wrapped, they will be protected. All the corners come protected. I don't need to worry about damage to my cabinets. I know they're square, they're well made. I know the shelves won't sag. I'm not going to have customer complaints. You know, when you receive products that are damaged, that sets you back in time and money. And I know with D3, I don't have to worry about that. Occasionally, I'll be installing cabinets for clients. They've ordered themselves, and there might be an issue, maybe with the sizes or dimensions. And I know that I can call D3, send them an email with the parts I need, send them the cabinet number, and they can quickly and efficiently see to fixing those problems. And that's amazing for me, because then I can turn back around and get back to work. And I know that it's well handled, and I trust that they will do the relationship between myself and D3 is important. And I know that I can contact them and they will see to my problems and help me solve my issues. I've done many jobs for clients all over. And I think some of the toughest jobs are with relatives, because you constantly go back to their houses and you're always in them. And if anyone's going to complain to you, it's a relative. But I've done jobs for 3 of my relatives, and I go back every year at Christmas for dinner, and their kitchen still looks fantastic, and they have good things to say about it. But I like the fact I go back to visit and everyone's happy. I think those are my favorite jobs. I do this job because I enjoy the finishing, and I love seeing people walk into their place and enjoy what I have just installed for them, and to see what they've chosen. And it makes me happy to see them happy. And that's why I do this. I would highly recommend D3 to designers, contractors, installers, homeowners, to everybody. I take pride in my work, and D3 makes it easy for me to do that.